Start with onions and ginger. Let's go ahead and saute our tomatoes also. Let's add a little bit of patis. Let's put our lid on and give this a few minutes. Alright guys, this should be good to go. So let's go ahead and fill our pot with water. Let's go ahead and add our gabi here, our taro roots. Let's also add our miso style sinigang mix. I'll be using a couple packets here. This is a big pot that I'm using. Alright, let's go ahead and put our lid on and bring this to a boil. Once it starts to boil, we will let it simmer for a good 30 to 40 minutes or until our gabi, our taro, is nice and soft. Alright guys, it's been a good 35 minutes here. Let's go ahead and skim off all the impurities here. And then we'll check to see if our gabi, our taro root is soft enough. I like our taro root really soft. So when you eat it, you can mash it with your rice. Alright, let's check to see if our taro is soft enough. Alright, it's actually pretty good. Very soft, good. Okay, good. We actually like our sinigang really sour, so I actually added more sinigang mix. So when you guys make it, you can adjust it to your liking. So for us, we like our sinigang really sour. So at this point, we can go ahead and add our salmon and the rest of the vegetables. Okay, so this is our salmon belly. I'm making a big batch here. So once we add our salmon, this will only take about 5-6 minutes to cook once it starts to boil. So at this point, we can actually add the salmon and the rest of the vegetables. So there's many different ways on how to make sinigang, and everyone has different types of vegetables that they like to use. For us today, we will use some eggplants and okra along with some green mustard, some baby green mustard they call it at the store. So these okras actually came from the freezer. Where we live, sometimes okra they get really expensive. They cost like $5.99, $6.99 a pound. So when the prices are low, I like to buy extra and freeze them. Okay, let's go ahead and add our mustasa also, our mustard greens. They call this baby green mustard at the Asian supermarket. I also did not buy any serrano peppers, so these are peppers that I grew from our vegetable garden. So these actually came from the freezer also. So instead of buying, I'll use these peppers also. Alright, so let's go ahead and put our lid on and give this a few minutes. This is one of my favorite soups. Actually, my kids also love this soup. Every time I make any type of sinigang, they eat so much. Let's get some mustasa. Put some sabaw on our rice. Let's grab a salmon belly. Our gabi. A little bit of okra. A little bit more mustasa and eggplant. Let's try our soup. Wow. So good. A little bit of gabi. A little bit of salmon belly. A little bit of pepper. And some patis. This is what you call a perfect bite. Oh my. So good. That salmon belly is so rich. It's so good. Alright guys, that's it for today. Cook it, enjoy it, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button, okay? I'll see you guys on the next one. You guys take care now. Bye-bye. Hey, so good.